Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to redeem codes in Honor of Kings. So this is full guide and I'll show you step by step what you need to do. First of all, you need to open the game and make sure that your game account is linked to your email address. And once you will open the game, then you need to click the gear icon in the top right corner. Right here, we need to click link account in the top right and select Google. Click continue and you need to link your Google account to Honor of Kings. And now you can open the browser, go to Google and write this simple keyword redeem code in Honor of Kings. And you need to find this website, which is official Honor of Kings website, and you need to open the Exchange Center. Before I will redeem the code, you need to log into your account. So you need to enter the email address, which is linked to Honor of Kings game. You will receive this code on your email. You need to enter the code and click login, confirm, and done. So guys, when you log into your account now, you need to write the code right here. So when you get the code, write it in the exchange code section, click exchange, and you will receive the reward into your game, guys. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.